lush fields of clover, now faded, dry and thin. We laughed in the sunlight before the world grew dim. By the river's gentle flow, we'd cast our dreams so wide. Feet dipped in silver streams, now barren, cracked and dry. Once the flowers would bloom, painting stories in the air. Now memories linger like a ghost in deep despair. Oh, how the fire burns in the heart of yesteryears. In the rain we find our solace, washing away our fear. Green hills remember the songs of our sweet youth. Now longing treads lightly where the winds blow cold and smooth. The sky we once knew is a fading shade of blue. Leaves rustle, whisper secrets of what we couldn't do. Earth's gentle cradle rocked us to the softest tune. Now the cries of nature echo in the silence of the moon. The whispers tell of days when the rain was soft and clear, tales of golden summers before the warnings we'd not hear. We chased the morning dew, felt the world within our hands. Now the echoes call from lost and distant lands.